Schedule trigger. Triggers are the events that kickstart your workflow into action. In this lesson, we'll focus on configuring schedule triggers for your workflows. Schedule triggers allow you to configure workflows to run at a particular time or interval. There are various frequency options, such as running it once, daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. Here's how to set it up. First, create your RPA flow. Go to the My Flows page in your account. From there, click the Create button and then select Create Flow. Once you've created the flow and are on the Builder page, you'll need to select the trigger event for your workflow. Here, choose Schedule as the trigger event. Now configure the following. Choose the frequency, for example, daily. Then select the start date, time, and time zone when you want your flow to execute. Next, you can choose the specific days for the bot to run, like only on weekdays, just weekends, or even on a single day, like every Monday. Finally, you can also select the RPA agents you want the workflow to run on. This option to pick multiple RPA agent machines is only available with the schedule trigger. Once you choose your RPA agents and save, the workflow will run on all the selected RPA agents at that particular time. For instance, if you've it set to run daily at 10 a.m., it will run on all your chosen RPA agents at that specific time. Once you've selected your configuration, click Done. Here, we've configured the bot to run every weekday at 10 a.m. But what if you need it to run multiple times a day, not just once? Maybe you want to run it at 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. as well. In such cases, there's no direct option to select multiple times for a single day. Instead, you'll need to make a copy of your RPA flow for each additional runtime. For each copy, you'll then set its individual schedule, like one for 10 a.m., another for 2 p.m., and so on, for the number of times you need it to run. Now that we've learned how to configure the schedule trigger, we'll cover the other types of triggers in our next lesson.